Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option on this device. So first of all, just go to Google application, tap here on the down right corner to more icon and go to settings. So right here you'll see the Google Assistant, tap on that, and right there just tap on voice match. Here you'll see the Google, OK Google, and the switcher is turned off. Just tap on that to turn it on. Tap here to the next. Now tap to I agree. And now just say OK Google. Say one more time, OK Google. OK Google. So, and now tap to finish. So now, as can you see, your OK Google function option is enabled. So that's how it looks. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.